If you're chasing peak performance on the track, the 2026 Kawasaki KX450 might just be the bike you've been waiting for. Welcome to Next Gen Reviews, where we break down the latest and greatest rides. Today, we're diving into Kawasaki's all-new KX450, a motocross machine built to push the limits. Design. Right from the start, the 2026 KX450 looks sharp and aggressive. Kawasaki's signature lime green color is impossible to miss, but beyond that, this bike features a redesigned chassis that's lighter and stiffer. The slim, ergonomic bodywork is optimized for rider mobility, giving you better control whether you're sprinting or cornering hard. Performance. At the heart of this beast is a revamped 449 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine. It's tuned for a perfect balance of power and control, delivering a smooth yet explosive throttle response. Kawasaki has refined the intake and exhaust systems to maximize torque in the mid-range while keeping top-end power fierce. Whether you're blasting through jumps or hammering down straights, the KX450 delivers consistent and predictable power. Features and technology. Tech-wise, Kawasaki packed this bike with race-ready features. The new digital fuel injection system offers sharper throttle response, and the updated Showa suspension is fully adjustable to suit different track conditions. Kawasaki's launch control and customizable engine maps mean you can fine-tune your ride in seconds, keeping you ahead of the pack. Conclusion. In short, the 2026 KX450 is a seriously impressive motocross machine, fast, agile, and loaded with tech that makes a real difference on the track. If you want to stay competitive, this bike deserves a hard look. What's your take on the new KX450? Drop a comment below. And if you found this review helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more honest, detailed bike breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and keep riding strong.